Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, as per your time zone. I, Aparnika Sahu, welcome you all again to my channel, Dance with Aparnika. So, as we learned Kuddita Metta Adavu, step number 3 in our previous video. So, without further ado, let's move on to Kuddita Metta Adavu, step number 4. Tai Hat Tai Hi, Tai Hat Tai Hi. We use Katka Mukha, Alapadma and Pataka gesture in this step. In the hand movements, we will start from right side. So we'll take Katka Mukha in right hand and Pataka in the left hand. And remember an important thing, your left hand should be on Natya Rambi position. 1, 2, 3, 4, Tai Hat Tai Hi. And in this step, we will do one set twice in the same direction. While changing hands, your hands have to be taken from the middle every time. Tai Hat Tai Hi, Tai Hat Tai Hi. So let's see how it is done with the legs. Tai Hat Tai Hi, Tai Hat Tai Hi, Tai Hat Tai Hi, Tai Hat Tai Hi. Tai Hat Tai Hi, 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 Tai Hat Tai Hi. Tai Hat Tai Hi, 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 stop. So this is Kuddita Metta Adavu step number 4. We will learn the last step number 5 in our next video. Goodbye, take care and thank you for watching.